Why are you filming this? Why are you filming this?
Why are you filming this?
Hey guys, welcome back. You're here today with Anthony X over in the beautiful city of Santa Cruz, California. We are on Delaware Avenue at Santa Cruz Nutritionals, established by two surfers in 1968. They help do private labels or brands. They do things like introducing vitamins into gummy bears. Not sure if that's the best way, but it is what it is. They also do trail mix and things like that. Let's see if our friends over here at Santa Cruz Nutritionals respect my right to record in public. As always, guys, please show support by sharing this video. Make sure to pound the like button until your phone breaks. As always, guys, please follow or subscribe. And remember, no bootlicking, unless that's your thing. Let's do this, guys. Lots of people out here camping. We should be at Santa Cruz Nutritional in just a few moments. No trespassing. All right, we are almost there. All right, guys, we made it. Might be empty with all the COVID going on. Not sure what their hours of operation are. Just thought I'd come check it out, guys. Not sure if we'll get any action. We'll see what happens. It's a beautiful sight, though. I like the way they have all the landscape here. Looks pretty cool. It doesn't say I can't walk on here, guys, even though it is private property. There's no sign saying no trespassing for this particular lot. I think I will walk up by the stairs since there was a sign down the street saying visitors, and I am going to visit. If they tell me to leave, though, I will leave since it's private property. Let's see what happens. It's a beautiful sight, as you can see. The sun's going down. It's probably around 4:30 in the afternoon. 61 degrees, not too bad. A little crisp, not too cold, not too hot, obviously. That's a beautiful tree, guys. Got their generator going. Got a little parking here. Might be for the Slater Construction. I believe this is like a shared facility. Got Slater Construction right on the right side there. And then Santa Cruz Nutritionals right over here. No flag. Let's make sure to keep our social distance.
One of the contractors here? You one of the contractors here?
Keep your 6 feet.
I said, why are you filming this?
Why are you filming this? Why are you filming this?
Why are you filming this?
Why are you filming this?
I'm just visiting. I don't answer questions. Other than that,
I mean, who authorized you to take photographs here?
our Constitution of the United States of America authorized it.
This is a private property.
Yes, and there's a sign.
Understand that?
There's a sign right there that says visitors. Right over here, I'm visiting. There's no sign saying no trespassing or no unauthorized personnel.
I think it's a waste of time.
Gotcha. Have a good day. If somebody wants me to leave, though, I will leave. But nobody has asked me. So you said I'm entitled to stay here, just to be clear. So you heard it, guys. He said I could stay here, so we are good. So to be clear, I am okay here, right? No need to yell. I'm asking you a question. But it said visitors.
What kind of vista? You know what does the vista mean?
I don't have to explain my business to you.
If you are vista on cover.
No need to get angry. There's no sign saying no trespassing. I'm just visiting. No need to get angry, guy. Unreal. He was actually yelling at me and telling me he's going to call the police. Like I mentioned, if they want me to leave, I'll leave. But no one has asked me to leave. They just asked what I was doing. That's kind of weird. There's no sign saying I can't be here, guys. As you can see, there's no sign saying no trespassing. These are two separate businesses. There's no law saying I can't record. No one that lives here, works here, or authorized management have told me I have to leave. Alright guys, this might turn into an audit for Slater Construction. Who knows? These guys are just some maintenance, it looks like. Just working, doing their job. Alright. Seems like the workers have no issues. This guy just left, didn't tell me I have to leave. Now see right here, this is very clear, guys. This sign for Slater Construction says no trespassing, keep out. This is a shared parking lot for two establishments and doesn't say anything about me not being able to be in here. Come check out the signs with me, guys. You'll see what I'm talking about. Walk with me. As you can see, Santa Cruz Naturals, visitor parking, pickups and deliveries, the other direction. But this says Santa Cruz Naturals, visitor parking. I'm a visitor. So as you can see, there's just a little bit of sidewalk technically. I'm just gonna stand right here for a few more minutes, get a few more shots, and see what happens. That's it. Looks like they're heading out. All right, guys. Thanks for checking out my latest audit over here in the beautiful town of Santa Cruz, California at Santa Cruz Nutritionals and Slater Construction. Make sure to leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Pass or fail. You be the judge. As always, guys, make sure to pound that like button till your phone breaks. Make sure to follow or subscribe. You can find me on my YouTube channel, Anthony X. First Amendment Audits, or my new Facebook page, AX First Amendment Audits. On my Facebook page, guys, you're welcome to send me private messages if you have any suggestions of places you'd like me to audit. As always, guys, you know the drill. No bootlicking. We'll see you on the next one.